Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by validating access. Own Watch Dogs 2 on PC or subscribe to a supported cloud library. Next, install the appropriate mobile client, Steam Link, GeForce Now, Xbox Cloud Gaming, or Ubisoft Connect, because each routes the game differently. Once done, make sure your phone and host are on the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired network for reduced latency. Also, enable controller mapping and background app permissions now, so you don't interrupt the streaming handshake later. Now you configure the streaming pathway. First, pair a controller to your phone, Bluetooth or USB OTG, and assign controls inside the streaming app for accuracy. Then adjust stream quality. Choose 720p at 60 fps for 1020 Mbps, or 1080p at 30 fps if bandwidth is constrained. This balances visuals versus latency. After that, authorize your PC host or log into the cloud provider. Launch Watch Dogs 2 on the host, and run a brief 5 to 10 minute test. Finish by optimizing for long sessions. Close background apps, switch your phone to performance mode, and enable low latency settings on your router. Once stable, bind cloud saves so progress stays synced between sessions. This avoids replays if you switch devices. If you hit lag, first lower the stream resolution, then move the host to a wired connection. As a troubleshooting tip, if stutters persist, restart the router and relaunch the streaming app. Often a fresh connection clears packet congestion and fixes input delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.